Hey guys, this is not a regular tutorial video. Recently I have enrolled in a Udacity course which is Google India Scholarship course, and I have enrolled in Android developer path. There are some tasks I have to complete for this course. So the first task is to make a simple single page birthday card app. So I have created the birthday card app and here it is. Now here you can see the XML, and the first tag is the relative layout, and there is the XML namespace declaration for Android. I have set the width and height of this relative layout to match parent because I want to use the whole screen. Now you can see that this is the parent tag, and inside this parent tag you can see the three children tags. So first is image view, and there are other two text views. So in this app screen you can see that this is the image view and these two are the text view of this app. So first is the image view. So why I have used the image view first, because this happy birthday Ellie and from me, these two text views are appearing on the image. Actually you may interpret it like the image view is behind these two text views. These views appears to the screen according to their order. So this is the image view, and I have set the height and width of this image view to match parent because I want to cover my whole screen with this image, and the scale type is center crop. I don't want to have any space left, so that's why I used center crop. And this is the source of this image file. Now this is the text view. So the width and height of this text view is wrap content, and the text is happy birthday Ellie. Text size is also 36 sp. Font family is casual, and I have set the color of this text is black. Now you can see that there is 20 dp margin, not only here but in the four sides. So I have used the 20 dp layout margin, and the other text view is pretty much similar. Just I have used in place of happy birthday Ellie from me, and the text size is also 36 sp. Width and height are wrap content, and this is the important thing here. This says that I am aligning this text view with respect to the parent relative layout to right and bottom. You can see that the value of this is true, so I am positioning the text view with respect to the relative layout in the right bottom corner. So you can see that the text view is appearing to the right bottom corner of the screen, and the font family also casual, and the color of this text is black, and you can see the margin is 20 dp around these four sides. So this is all about this app. If you want to have the source code and the files of this birthday card app, so I will provide a link in the description of my GitHub repository. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.